Here we have DoWell's Osteotome Kit. Our 6-piece offset osteotome kit has 6 different diameters: 5.0, 4.3, 3.8, 3.3, 2.8, and 2.0. This osteotome kit has 3 benefits. The stopper is easy to adjust. Tapered tip design is more suitable for bone density. And offset shank engages better posterior position. How to utilize this instrument as shown in the following videos. The first video is a demonstration for the stopper, which can be adjusted with the use of 2 screws. Measure the stopper and tap in the pre-drilled position to break sinus crestal walls. This is the summer technique. This video shows the summer technique, which indicates how to do sinus bone augmentation. Input bone graft material after elevated sinus membrane. Please make sure the bone height is suitable for your size of stopper. If you have any questions, then please feel free to contact us at info@DoWellDentalProducts.com or contact your local dealer.